In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a document in Microsoft Word using both the mouse and the keyboard. Before we start, make sure your document is open in Word and your printer is connected and ready. What we're about to do works with most versions of Word, and the steps are straightforward once you see them in action. Let's begin with the mouse. Look to the top left corner of Word and click on File. This opens what's called the Backstage view, a full-screen area where you manage things like saving, sharing, and printing. On the left side, select Print. You'll now see the Print Settings interface, which includes a preview of your document on the right and your settings on the left. Here, first, choose how many copies you want. If you only need one, leave it at 1. If you need more, type the number or use the arrows. Just below that, select the printer that's connected to your computer. If you have more than one printer available, pick the correct one from the list. You can also adjust other print settings such as page layout and orientation. Orientation controls whether your pages print in portrait or landscape. Layout options help determine how content fits on the page. Use the preview to check that everything looks the way you expect. When you're happy with the selections and the preview looks correct, click the Print button to start printing. Your document will be sent to the chosen printer right away. Now let's do the same thing using the keyboard. This method is great when you want to move quickly. Hold down the Control key and press P. That instantly opens the same print settings window you saw a moment ago. From here, you can select your printer, set the number of copies, and adjust the same print settings like page, layout, and orientation. Take a quick look at the preview to confirm the pages look right. When you're ready, click the Print button to complete the process. That's all there is to it. Using the mouse gives you a clear path through the Backstage view, while the keyboard shortcut takes you straight to the print screen. If you don't see your printer listed, make sure it's powered on and connected to your computer or network, and try again. With these two methods, you can print confidently and efficiently, whether you prefer clicking through menus or using a quick shortcut. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!